My name is Audrey Tumwine. I am the CEO and founder of Hassan's Consultancy Uganda. I am one of the participants in the Youth Startup Academy Bootcamp, and I'm excited to be back for stage 2. During stage 1, we focused most on the ideation, understanding the product of my business, but also focused a lot on the financial side. How did I make money in my business? And I'm excited that I was able to make it through the pitching. It was very intensive after just 1 week of preparation, but it has helped me. Even after I went back to my business, I have improved. I am running my business a lot better. I've been able to make more money. So even looking at my revenue, it has tremendously grown just from what I learned in stage 1. In stage 2, I want to focus a lot on the business processes. I'm preparing my company to serve not just people in Uganda, but also the people outside of the continent, starting with East Africa. What we do at Hassan's is provide affordable financial education to working women, and we have been able to deliver this very conveniently through digital platforms. And so I'm excited to see how stage 2 is going to go and eventually work to get to stage 3. As I proceed to stage 2, I want to thank the partners who have made this possible, who have given us this opportunity to not only run our startups, but also build them into scalable businesses. These include the Korean SMEs and Startup Agency, the International Trade Center, NITA Uganda, and the Hive Collab. Thank you for this opportunity, and I'm excited about how stage 2 will go, and eventually hope to get into stage 3 of the bootcamp.